Hi, this is Shubhankaya from Quantsapp. So welcome back to the another video. So first, I would like to thank all of you who have been supported us throughout the entire series, which kept me and my team motivated to publish each day a new video on basics of options. So now in this particular series, what we have done is we tried to understand options from the basic. Like first we understood what exactly options are. So wherein we started the series by understanding what are derivatives, because options are derivatives, right? So first it was very prudent for us to understand what exactly derivatives are. Then we understood what are futures contract, then what are options contract, what is call, what is put option. Then moving to a bit advanced level, what we did is we tried to understand about how exactly premium of a particular option has been calculated. Then what all are the components who are actually contributing to the premium. So we discussed about that. Then further we understood the concepts of open interest, how it is looked at, how it is looked in the market. So it is looked from a writer's perspective. So the reasons we had covered it in the videos. Then we understood using the futures data, which is the futures open interest, how we can identify the strength of a particular instrument. Then moving a bit step forward, we understood about ban list, what is market wide position limit, and what happens if a script enters into ban or take an exit from the ban. Then we decoded something like PCR and sentimental indicator. We decoded PCR, what exactly it is. We identified the ideal range of PCR as well. Then moving further, we understood about India VIX, implied volatility rank, implied volatility percentile, impact of IVs on our premium and all that. Then further we understood, we took I would say this series to a much more advanced level, wherein we understood the strategies part of options, wherein like some strategies like bullish strategies, bearish strategies, and some kind of a non-directional strategies. So in the last, we also understood about option Greeks and how they actually impact our option premiums and why it is necessary to understand the Greeks and all. So now the idea of this series was like we are trading into options, which is way vast, I would say, topic as a whole, wherein not only predicting the prices of an instrument is enough if we are trading into options. Now let's say if we predict instrument's price, let's say if it is going to go in the upwards direction, let's say at the same time if the IVs of the same instrument crash, then we are not going to make any money, because the IVs are going to eat up the entire option premium of ours. Now let's say we are expecting a bullish V1 Nifty, but that viewed our target doesn't come on the same day itself, and we have bought a call option, but that is not enough because we want to hold the option, let's say for 1 or 2 more days. So the theta decay is going to decay a lot, and that is eventually going to pay nothing in terms of our strategy. So that is the reason this entire series, like it was not only about predicting where the market is going to go, but it was more about the basics, and we understood, I would say, futures and option segment from the basic, and we have covered the topics which would be, I would say, good enough if we want to trade. So this was altogether a free series, but I would say if you want to take your analysis to the next level, so there are a lot of courses on our website. So in What's New, you will find a lot of courses like technical analysis, basic of options trading, professional options trading workshop, foundation of options trading, and a lot of courses as well. So I would recommend you all going through those courses as well, although they would be paid courses. But still, if somebody wants to take their analysis to the next level, then definitely I would recommend going through them as well. And apart from that, the basics what we learned throughout the entire series. So if someone hasn't watched the series of the videos yet, so the link would be in the description. I would recommend you going through all of the videos, especially if you are a beginner and just starting with your options career. Apart from that, I would say that thank you so much for supporting us throughout the entire series. It was great. Even I learned a lot while doing this series and recording the videos each and every day. So it was a good experience, I would say, for me as well. And apart from that, we would be coming up with similar sort of series, but we have covered already basics of options. So we would be coming up ahead with something sort of, I would say, a bit kind of an advanced level. So you can stay tuned along with us. Do hit the subscribe button, do hit the bell icon, so whenever we post something, you will receive a notification. Thank you.